So what is zero-based budgeting? Well, zero-based budgeting, or ZBB, is about one thing and one thing only: taking control of your finances with an iron grip. It's a system of budgeting that requires you to perform a reset of your financial landscape every month, which means that at month end you don't have anything left over. Now, this doesn't mean that you've spent everything. It means that you've allocated every pound to a set of categories that means something to you. And now I'm going to show you how to do it. But first, zero out your budget of likes and subscriptions by pressing these buttons here. Your accountant will thank you, and so will I. All right, we're going to take a step back, look into the future and make some goals. What matters most to you? What do you want to accomplish? Is it paying off a debt, saving for a down payment on your house? Whatever it may be, set your goals and make them crystal clear. So later I'm going to show you how to align your budget with your goal. Now we're going to delve deep into our finances and expose the murky workings of our money. So start by gathering all your financial information for a full month. Take a deep breath and face the facts. Pull up your bank statements, credit card statements, and any other records of your income and expenses. So next, it's time to organize and categorize. Take the list of all your expenses and place them into categories that make sense for you. So that could be housing, transportation, food, entertainment, the list goes on and on. To help you do this, embrace spreadsheets, budgeting apps, or good old-fashioned pen and paper, whatever works for you. So hey, step 3, we're going to examine and refine the category. Each category carries its own weight and importance. This isn't all about cutting out fun and not having any money for enjoyment and leisure. If you value those things in your life, then you definitely should be allocating some money to satisfying them. But this way you're doing it intentionally and in the context of the other parts of your life that also are important and also require funding. Step 4, the ZBB move. Now, this is where ZBB stands out from all other budgeting methods. And begin by taking all of your categories and distributing your income across all of them. In zero-based budgeting, there is no room for excess. Once you've allocated your income across all your essential and discretionary expenses, if you find yourself with any leftover income, then it's time to fund your goal. Now, whether that's increasing your debt payments or boosting your savings or investing in your future. Heck, you could even be trying to enjoy life more, in which case you might up your budget for eating out. What happens though if you have less than zero? Well, it's time to revisit those discretionary expenses, and if that still isn't enough, then you might need to revisit your fixed expenses, or maybe you need to turn to your income and see if you can increase it. The bottom line is this: categorize your expenses, analyze your spending habits within those categories, and make intentional choices that will create space in your finances critically to fund your goal. Now click like and subscribe because, well, the video's over.